One of the mini details is the countertop. I'm trying to fix. There's these splotches that didn't harden. So I picked them out, scraped them out, and then re-epoxied them. This one will be mostly hidden by the sink. And then behind it here, I'll just hide with other things. This one here in the middle definitely could pose more of a problem. But I may put, depending on how it turns out, something over it for the stove to sit on. So then you can't see it. The epoxy we bought on Amazon had patches that didn't harden, even though we mixed it per their directions. And so we ended up with the gorgeous countertop with sticky, gross spots. Sadly, we weren't able to salvage it. It was a failure. A very time-consuming, expensive failure. But we have an alternative. You gotta get creative. That is a cable stabilizer or attachment thing for like your home TV cable, and paracord with electrical tape keeping the knot nice and tight. I robbed the trailer that we never use to stock the van. Upper deck storage. And look, my guitar is mounted. Temporary fire extinguisher mount. I think I'll just stain that board and leave it there. Works pretty good. Solid in there. Easy to access still. Not super fun to put in, but I made it. All the details that are gonna get done are done. We're off to the Overland Rally.